In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forecast type in HubSpot. First, open your browser, head to Google, and search for HubSpot. From the results, open the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to view forecast and manage forecasting settings, since you'll need that access to complete this setup. Once you're in, move your cursor over the main navigation on the left and locate the Sales section. From there, click Forecast. This opens HubSpot's forecasting workspace, where you'll define how revenue is organized and reported for your team. Next, choose the option to create a new forecast type. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name. Use something your reps and managers will instantly recognize, such as Website Redesign, ABC Corp., or follow a naming convention your company already uses. Good naming helps later when you're filtering, reporting, and training new team members. Now select the date property that the forecast will use. Many teams choose close date, but you can select any relevant date field that represents when revenue should be counted. This choice determines which time period a deal falls into on your forecast, so pick the field that best reflects your reporting logic and how you roll up results. Then choose the amount property. Typically, this is the standard amount field in your deal currency. But if your process relies on a custom value, like net amount after discounts or a weighted figure, select that property instead. Whatever you choose is what HubSpot will total in the forecast, so align it with what leadership expects to see. Click Next to continue. Now set a forecast submission schedule. This controls when HubSpot prompts your team to submit or update their forecasts. Pick a submission start date that matches your cadence, like the first day of the month or the start of a quarter. Choose how often it repeats, weekly, monthly, or another frequency your team follows, so reminders are predictable and easy to manage. Assign the schedule to the right people by selecting the team or users responsible for submitting. Assigning by team keeps the process consistent and makes it easier for managers to review and coach. When everything looks correct, click Finish. HubSpot will create the forecast type and return you to the forecasting area. From here, your team can begin submitting against the new structure, and managers can monitor progress with standardized, reliable data. If you need to adjust anything later, you can return to this area to refine the properties or the schedule without starting over.